In this video, we will learn what is data modeling in Power BI. Let's start. Data modeling in Power BI is the logic behind your dashboards. It is the process of organizing data tables and connecting them correctly. If your data model is wrong, your dashboard will also be wrong. Think of raw data like loose blocks. Data modeling turns those blocks into a strong structure, so Power BI can produce accurate and fast reports. Fact table versus dimension table. In Power BI, tables are mainly divided into two types: fact tables and dimension tables. Fact tables contain numbers, like sales amount, quantity, or profit. Dimension tables provide context, like product name, customer, or date. For example, sales data alone has no meaning, but sales plus product and date creates meaningful insights. Relationships. How data flows. Relationships control how data flows between tables. They act like pipelines for filters. The best practice is one-to-many relationships, from dimension tables to fact tables, with single-direction filtering. For example, a product table filters the sales table using product ID. If relationships are broken or wrong, filters won't work and totals will be incorrect. Star schema. The best practice. The star schema is the recommended data model in Power BI. It has one fact table at the center and multiple dimension tables around it. This structure improves performance, simplifies DAX formulas, and keeps the model clean and easy to maintain. That's why star schema is considered the industry STA. DART for analytics. Why data modeling is important. Without proper data modeling, you get wrong totals and slow dashboards. With proper data modeling, you get accurate insights, faster reports, and simpler calculations. Data modeling is the foundation of Power BI. Once you master it, everything else becomes easier. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel. More Power BI basics coming soon.